Just when I was returning from Mangalore via Balehonnur, I got a glimpse of this hill. Got hooked that instant and decided we'll climb here one day.
The cool guys, celebrity aeromology. Cut it.
Once we reached the starting point, I talked to a local. Got to know there are 3 paths, 2 of them pass through private estates, and these are comparatively easy. But the last one goes straight up the mountains. That's the one we took.
We came from that ridge, we got into the forest, climb up and then go left.
Easy, crazy, huh?
Awesome and really fantastic. Super trick.
Partially chilling, partially shitty, but great.
Whoa. You guys have done an excellent job. Look where the flag is and how far we have come in such a short time. What the fuck?
Shit, seriously? Hey, there should be another way. Yeah, I am not a rock climber like Mukunda.
Motor barli.
Barli.
Motivatory impulse that's mainly.
Impulse is hot off.
When you're exhausted and there is no pain, there is no gain.
Gaadi afai.
Feels like they come and go, you know I'm here to stay. Lifetime to live, but I just wanna push away.
That's the final summit. Mr. Nikhil is enjoying his summit push. So this is the first summit. Welcome Mr. Duke Man, you have done great.
Thank you.
First summit.
Wake up, acting like it's so new.
Into edge idu saw.
Couldn't give another fuck about it. Roads snore my soul so long.
Second summit. That's the third summit.
Oi, idu sakkada kantada trail. Done. Woo! Oh man.
Yo! Feet of what's the feet? 5,600, 5,400, 5,300 approx. You can see the flag.
That's Kathanmaki over there.
What a nice ass.
Whatever energy you have, try to like. You have to go slow.
Okay. Now, idu scary kantadi illinda actually. Have to get down this trail. We'll be there by 12:45.
By the time we reached down, it was around 1:30 p.m. We had lunch, continued to our next destination to camp for the day, somewhere near Kalasa. This is quite a short video as this is a short summer trek. Also, this is not the video I told about in the previous one, as I am not able to shoot footages for that due to the corona lockdown outside. Anyways, I hope I can finish that project ASAP. By the way, I would like to thank Saimukunda for the Hero 7 videos. Nearly all the shots of this video are from him. Also, I would like to end the video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.